Hello, my name is Casey and this is Holt Miniature Painting. In this video I'm going to do my first unboxing of the new Warhammer 40,000 Introductory Set for 10th edition by Games Workshop. So here's the set. It has beautiful artwork of an Ultramarine Sergeant fighting Tyrannid. Also shows some of the contents in the set. You get some Space Marines, and you got some Termagants, Tyrannids, some dice, paints, all a wonderful set to get started in this new game. So here's the back. Shows some more of its stuff. We'll open it up. Okay, so now we have the handbook, which is actually a pretty good size handbook. So we'll go ahead and look through that real quick. Show what's in here. Nice glossy cover. You get your contents, a welcome to Warhammer 40,000, picture of a couple playing the game. Gorgeous artwork. Hopefully the light won't shine off too much. 41st Millennium. And then we get into how to build the miniatures. Shows you what you need, the clippers, how to clip them, line up the parts, and these are the push fit miniatures, so you don't need any glue to get started. Some nice clipper safety here. Now we have the Termagants, the new Termagants, and then the how to paint. This is actually a really nice, thorough beginning guide on how to paint your miniatures. It shows step by step with the additional, adding the other paints that come in this set with you. In this set, sorry. And then the gallery, and then we go on to the Tyrannids. Nice information here, and then a beautiful step-by-step with pictures, and then you have your gallery. It's very basic, and I think it's really cool for beginners. Now we have some background on the Space Marines. Beautiful artwork. I love the artwork. We talk about the Ultramarines. Another great picture of some artwork here. Now we get into the Tyrannids, and specifically the Leviathan. Some models, pictures of models, a lot of fluff. Another gorgeous picture here. And then we get into how to play the game. Real simple. Goes over all of through scenarios, the basics, the training scenario here. What you need for your roles. Really nice. I like how they do this. It's very similar to the Hatchet Partworks Warhammer 40,000 subscription magazine. Same layout. Really nice. Step by step on how to play, going from one to the Space Marines and then to the Tyrannids. And then they had another mission. And through once they do the training basically scenario, step by step on how to play it, then you got an actual mission with what you have in here in this set, your data sheets, and then taking your next step. There's some objective markers, those are nice. And then your next step with the other starter sets. And showing some other Space Marines. The new Librarian is so cool. And then building the Space Marine paint set. Has some more paints in that. Shows you how, basic painting. The Barb Gaunts, those are cool. And then there's the Tyranid paint set, the new paint set for that. Shows you how to do that one, and then this is only the beginning. Alright, so that one is really cool. Nice, beautiful book. And then we have our placemat. This is huge. I'm not going to open it a little bit. Two-sided. Dead Tyranid. Gotta have the dead on there. I like these placemats. They're really nice. So you got a wasteland and then an interior of a ship. Possibly a Space Hulk. Very nice. Alright. This is their dice. Standard white dice. Split-sided dice. You got clippers. Pretty decent. Not bad. Gets you started. You got a starter brush. It's a good, like it is. It's a starter. It's not the best quality, but it works. When you buy this set, I suggest buying, just go ahead and pick up a medium layer brush. A little better quality. And then maybe get a small layer brush for like the details and stuff. So you got your bases. And then go ahead and take up the paint. All right, so we got our 5 paints here. Got Abandoned Black, McCrag Blue for that ultramarine color, Balthazar Gold, nice dark metallic gold, yellow gold. Some Nagarath Knight, so that purple, for the purple carapace on the Tyranids. And then Wraithbone, which is kind of separated, but that happens with the quick little shake and it's good to go. And you can take the back end of your brush, stir it up. So, all I'm doing is just hitting it against my palm. And that gives it a good shake. Now we get into the miniatures. So here's some Termagants. The new Termagants, which I really like the sculpts because they gave more action to them. They're not, posing, staring straight. They're actually curved heads and things like that. Still similar to the old sculpts, but with a new twist on it, which I really like. And now here's the Space Marines, the new Primaris, Flamers. I think they're called Incinerators, but really nice. And all right, here's the templates that you cut out, and then on the underneath you got your ruler. So really, you know, with this set, you can get started right away and start painting, you know, putting together your models, get them ready, paint, add some paint to it, start playing, and then move and go from there. So this will be a nice little start. I'm going to continue on with a series of this where I'm going to go through this set, put them together, paint with these, you know, as the basics according to the book, and then add to that as I add more paint to it, to my collection, or what I already have. So I suggest when you buy this set, you know, you don't really need to buy anything else to go with it, per se. Move some things out of the way here. But it wouldn't hurt to, you know, like I said, buy a couple other brushes, get a medium layer brush, a small layer brush, and then I think it's the medium shade brush. And that actually gives you a nice variety of brushes. You got a large brush with the shade brush, a medium size brush with this one, and then the small for your detail stuff. The starter brush is still good for things like transferring paint. You know, start with this. I mean, the tip of it needs to be trimmed here, like the bristles. But it does have its uses, so it works too. So it doesn't hurt to have multiple brushes. Also, if you want, once you snap them together, you can pick up some plastic glue. I use Tamara extra thin cement. That's what I found when I picked this up. The Games Workshop plastic cement works really well too. So both of those work. And, you know, like I said, with this, I'm going to go through this set, start from the basics, and then do advanced painting and journey on that. Thank you for watching this unboxing video on the introductory set to Warhammer 40,000 10th edition by Games Workshop. Please like, share, and comment down below, and you can follow along to all my social media stuff in the links to the side. Thank you and happy painting.